Here's my original floor mats. This is the entrance. We got painted so far. There's the fireplace. Painted everything white, one coat. Cushions are cleaned and scrubbed. The front end is all cleaned, but that's where I put all my mess right now. Cabinet painted, wall painted, kitchen. Those are gonna be the tiles I'm gonna put. This wall already has its 2 coats. The hallway has 2 coats. Bathroom. About, I would say 70% done. Just gotta fix that wall. That wall is painted gray. Doors will be black. The room, the progress that we have so far. Cabinets. All got 1 coat of paint. About to do the second. Wall has 2 coats. The bed. Already have a TV in here. Obviously, I'm gonna buy another TV, a better TV. And this bed is painted as well. Carpet nice and cleaned. All closets painted. Let's get this stuff out of the way. As well. This area is painted as well. That wall pretty much has 2 coats already. No stains anywhere. Making progress. And then in the future, I'm gonna move this mirror basically onto this wall. And then I'm gonna put a wall TV right there. That's what we got done so far. What we got done so far in the bathroom. Sleeping area. Kitchen area. That's still the first wall layer. The original wall. They're gonna put a new wall. Trying to make it as strong as possible. And that's basically the driver and passenger areas. Okay, bathroom vanity. It's done. All painted inside and out. Got my own little molding over here. Bathroom. Door. Painted. Starts to dry some spots. And also the frame. And the inside frame. That's it.